What if AI didn't just answer your questions, but actually completed your work for you? What if one single platform could research, write, design slides, analyze data, create images, generate videos, and manage workflows, all without switching between different tools? And what if a Silicon Valley startup with only 30 people could challenge companies like Google and Microsoft and reach a billion-dollar valuation in just 6 months? This is Genspark, a next-generation all-in-one AI workspace built for the AI-first future of work. How Genspark is different from ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a conversational AI mainly designed to help users think, write, and brainstorm using one model at a time. Inside the Genspark workspace, you'll find AI Chat, AI Slide, AI Designer, AI Sheet, AI Image, AI Video, all accessible from one unified dashboard. AI Chat, Autonomous Execution Engine. AI Chat in Genspark is more than a simple chat window. It functions as an autonomous execution engine. You describe your goal in plain English, create a 10-slide professional pitch deck for an AI startup, including market research, problem statement, solution, business model, competitive advantage, and conclusion. Data analysis. It will start processing and generate the 10 slides. Once the processing done, you can preview the slides and download it. You can change it and more. Analyze this Excel dataset and provide insights, trends, and actionable recommendations in simple language. Genspark can automatically structure your presentation, write slide content, design professional layouts, apply clean, modern visuals. Example, prompt, create a 12-slide modern investor pitch deck for a SaaS startup. Keep the content concise and professional. Result, a ready-to-present slide deck generated in minutes with no design or PowerPoint skills required. AI Designer, Case Study, Use Case, Brand and Marketing Design. AI Designer allows you to generate social media creatives, website banners, brand visuals. Prompt, design a premium Instagram post for a skincare brand using soft pastel colors, modern typography, and a clean layout. Result, high-quality, brand-ready designs created instantly. AI Sheet, Case Study, Use Case, Business and Sales Analysis. AI Sheet transforms raw data into meaningful insights by organizing spreadsheets automatically, analyzing trends, summarizing performance, providing recommendations. Prompt, create a monthly sales analysis sheet with growth trends, insights, and visual recommendations. Result, a smart, AI-powered spreadsheet without manual formulas or complex setup. AI Image, unlimited for 2026. AI Image uses advanced models such as Nano Banana Pro, GPT Image, Flux, and Seedream to generate professional visuals. Ideal for advertisements, thumbnails, website graphics, brand creatives. Key highlight, unlimited AI image generation for all of 2026. A realistic skincare product on a clean white background with soft studio lighting, premium packaging, ultra-realistic 4K quality. AI Video, cinematic generation powered by VO 3.1. AI Video enables product commercials, cinematic scenes, visual storytelling. Prompt, example, a cinematic skincare commercial with luxury lighting, smooth camera movement, premium aesthetic, 4K quality. Platforms and availability. Genspark is available on web, primary workspace, mobile app, macOS AI browser. A single account unlocks all features, tools, and AI models. Pricing and New Year's special offer. Genspark follows a freemium model, offering free credits on sign-up. The paid plan starts at $19.99 per month, unlocking full access to all AI tools and models. New Year's special offer, January 1st to 7th only. 40% off any annual plan, save $100 on Plus annual, save up to $1,000 on Pro annual. This limited time deal makes Genspark an excellent choice for creators, marketers, and businesses in 2026. ChatGPT helps you communicate with AI. Genspark allows AI to work for you. With autonomous agents, unlimited AI chat and image usage, AI slides, and more. Link is available in the video description. Bye-bye.